Yay!
Yo, what's going on, guys, and welcome to my first YouTube video. And today we are going to revolutionize the pizza world. As you may or may not know, there's a feud going on between the pineapple lovers and the pen lovers. What? The pineapple lovers and non-pineapples on pizza, right? Let's just all be friends, guys. I don't want the world to split because of pizza. Now, seriously, what we're going to do today is we're going to try different fruits on pizza. I know, it's crazy. It's cray-cray. You don't already put pineapple on pineapples on pizza, so why should you put other fruits on pizza? Who knows? We might find a delicacy today, guys. Damn. Alright, guys, so here we are with the different kind of fruits. We got regular banana, a lemon, an orange, and a kiwi, an apple, a mangosteen. If you've not tasted this before, oh god damn, it's good. But I don't know on pizza though. And regular mango. And then this hedgehog, I guess. Guys, I hate this fruit. This fruit is called durian fruit. God damn, it stinks, guys. Just sitting here makes me want to puke. Seriously, I hate this. I hate this. Alright, so what we're gonna do and how we're gonna do it is we're just gonna cut it up, put them on pizza, and just rate them from 1 to 10. Okay? 10 being awesome and I wanna just, rape that pizza over and over again. And number 1 being just take it and go. I don't want it. Okay? So,
where's the pizza?
okay, guys, so here we are, ready to eat the goddamn pizza. Personally, I am a pineapple dude. Okay, I am a pineapple on pizza dude. Just so you know, regular pizza, or this particular pizza, is going to be on a scale from 1 to 10, maybe a 7. Okay, a 7. So, is the fruit going to make the pizza better, or is it going to make it worse? Alright, so guys, let's just do this! Alright, let me try the banana first. Smells regular pizza. Oh, one more bite. I'm sorry, guys. It's going to be a lot of chewing noises and stuff because I'm eating. Nope. Forgot to tell you. It's just a regular cheese pizza with ham and oregano. But nothing special, guys. Nothing special. The banana, guys. I wasn't feeling it. It wasn't bad. It wasn't bad. The banana, it made it worse. The pizza was already a little bit salted from the ham and stuff, and suddenly the sweetness came from the banana at the end. It was the aftertaste that was kind of yeah. So from 1 to 10, I'm going to give this a 4. Okay, 4. So next up, let's try the lemon. Oh damn. It shouldn't supposed to be like this. It shouldn't look like you're hurting while you're eating pizza, you know? Like you're eating pizza, you're supposed to and while you're eating this, you're not like that's not supposed to happen. It's just sour, guys. So no lemon does not go on pizza, unfortunately. It made it a little bit more worse than the banana actually. So I'm gonna give this a 3. Next up, the orange. Alright, let's do this. It wasn't bad. It made it more juicier. But it didn't add too much taste to the pizza. I'm gonna give this a 6. Alright, a 6. It's not bad, but it doesn't make the pizza better either, so. Alright! Next one. So next one we got the Kiwi. So, let's do this. Kiwi was kind of good. But it didn't make the pizza like, wow, it's so much better. It's kind of the same. It's like having a kiwi on pizza, guys. What can I say? What can I say? So it's a 7. It's just, you put kiwi on pizza and it just tastes like pizza and a little bit of kiwi, so. Next one! So, the next one is the apple one. Let's do it. Let's just have some more apple on the front here. So we taste the apple. Alright, let's go. No. Nope. Nope. That was not good. The crunch from the pizza and then the extra crunch from the apple made it kind of too crunchy. So from a 1 to 10, I'm gonna give it a 3. It wasn't good. Next up! Alright guys, here we have the Mangosteen pizza. I love Mangosteen by itself. I love it. I love to drink the juice. The only downside to this is that Mangosteen has, you know, steens. You know, the core, and let's just taste it, guys. Holy. Damn, that was good. That was actually good. And the core was so soft, so it wasn't a problem to chew it. Damn, that was good. The saltiness from the pizza got like neutralized from the sweetness from the mangosteen, and it just kind of blended well together. I don't know, it was just, that was good. From 1 to 10, I'll give that an 8. That made it better. That actually made it better. Alright guys, so the next one, a regular mango. I love oh no. I love mango pizza, guys. What the, huh? I mean, I love mango. So let's taste it on pizza. Hopefully it's good. Because if it's bomb, I'm gonna buy mango every time I buy pizza. Wait. One more bite. Guys, that was that was good. That was good. But the thing is, it wasn't better than the mangosteen. So I have to give it an 8 out of 10. But that's still good though. It made the pizza. It made the pizza better. Actually. So my favorite fruit of all time, not the durian. The durian fruit. The durian fruit. Jeez. My god. Just look at it, guys. Does it look appealing to you? Does it? Does it? Alright, let's just put a lot of this in the front. Guys, I'm sorry. I am not overdoing this. I almost threw up. It's... Swallow it. I'm not doing that again. That was a clear 0 or 1, whatever. I'm not doing that again. Oh my god, I gotta eat the rest of the so Oh my god, that was bad. Guys, if you want to torture yourself, pizza with durian. Alright. Wow. So, if you like this, just hit puberty. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. And if you guys like this video, then make sure to like this video. Click on the like button, guys. That way I know that you actually enjoyed watching this. So if you click that like button, I'm gonna make more of this. Maybe like with some other toppings and eat some other stuff, weird stuff. And yeah, comment down below if you're gonna try this and maybe what you think about it. Alright? Until next time, guys. Peace.